would've done it for me, so I'm doing this shit for you. You would've done it for me, so I'm doing this shit for you. Go to fucking track.
I remember that day like it was yesterday.
Yo!
Welcome back, big gang, to the video. So y'all, today we are finally trying those Popeyes chicken nuggets that everyone's been talking about and posting on everything. The only person, I think the only person we saw really eat them was Steph and Tash though.
No, it was Steph and Tosh, and I saw this was another man gay trouble too.
Oh, okay.
They're young though.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it was definitely, I remember Steph and Tash's
They were saying it
experience.
was good.
Oh, yeah, Steph and Tash said it was, they were good. They said that it tastes like chicken tenders, chopped up.
Ooh, chopped up what?
That's what they said, chopped up chicken tenders. That's what she said it tastes like.
Oh.
But
Yeah, that's what they said too.
oh, they did too. Oh Lord, that's what it is. I don't like Popeyes chicken nuggets. I mean, chicken tenders. I don't say I hate them. Like I gotta be starving, but like they're not horrible. I just really don't like white meat, like breast. It's so dry. I'm gonna need this sauce. I'm gonna need extra sauce. Popeyes ain't eat that much anyway, y'all.
They said it was busting through.
Okay. We back to see.
God dang.
Sour and sweet, huh?
That's too much syrup. Shit.
Then she asked me if I wanted one, y'all. I was like, nah.
I was gonna drink it anyway.
But y'all better start eating up. We hungry. It's the first time we eat today, right?
Yeah, it's
I had this
in
minute.
the spot.
Is this sauce good? No, not long. I've been in there.
Yeah, you good.
Okay. I'm about to say
Sauce don't go bad like that.
like that.
Yeah, check the date through.
Oh, they have a date on it?
Yeah. Right till they should.
It don't smell bad, y'all. I'll know later. But, they didn't give us no sauce at Popeyes, so what we using honey mustard from McDonald's. Take with them.
Tastes like honey mustard.
Okay.
I don't know why I put my juice down. Yeah, you know why? Cause I always do that. Put my juice down cause I always sit it on the table.
Yeah, I'm breaking it up because I can't eat large portions of chicken.
You ain't even wait for me. That baby hungry.
Yeah.
Nah, that was skin.
It's like chicken tenders. Yeah, I need barbecue sauce. You got barbecue?
Yeah.
I don't make that one. Wait.
I bought, what's the name of that sauce you bought?
Frank's hot. Is that Frank's hot sauce?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Yeah, your Frank's really hot.
No, that's not French.
Wait, not Frank. It's not Frank's hot.
Well, I thought you got that from the Mexican store.
Oh, that's that one, the caliente one? Oh, that's the,
Caliente.
that's that, I think it's called like, yeah, I can't remember what it's called.
Rambusan.
It's popular on TikTok, girl, I've been using it. Yeah, I can't remember what it's called. It's Galantina?
Ew.
You tried that? I know it's nasty. You ain't smell it. Keiko was like, I'm like, why everybody use nasty stuff? You have to wait more barbecue sauce, babe. What it tastes like?
You need to put that, you need to be grilling and putting it on like
Chicken or something?
chicken and,
You got barbecue sauce?
no, it tastes like you need to put it on like on a grill. Grill something. You ain't taste it?
I didn't want to have to hang it to the napkin. Guilty for me.
Like, I don't know. It tastes like some sauce that'll come from fucking Burger King on one of them burgers. Like, oh, grill.
Because these ribs are nasty.
Oh,
No, I'm not like I can't taste it.
need mash. Need mash, y'all. Need mash.
I can't taste them. I said they taste nasty.
No, you say something wrong with my taste bud.
Because they taste nasty. I'm like, no, I love their beans, but they taste nasty to me. You want to taste them in my tripper?
I don't really like beans.
No, I smell them, but something tastes sour.
Oh no. They got the game fucked up. Popeyes, we about to be Popeyes.
No, chicken and barbecue sauce taste fine when I taste it. I'm like, why in my mouth? It tastes my mouth change. I'm not tripping. They don't taste good, huh?
No.
I know, something wrong with them. They might be spoiled. They don't even know. Because it's children that work at Popeyes. That's why at fast food, you only hire children.
Oh no.
Yeah, they spoiled, huh? Yeah.
Wow. See y'all why I have this? Y'all see why I got this?
Can't go wrong. Well, let me find the nuggets.
Run to the store. At least I'm trying my business.
But
I like them.
yeah, they're good. I like them with barbecue sauce.
Here, Dada.
I probably would like them with like buffalo ranch because I like that with breast because chicken breast you just have to have sauce and dry as shit.
Come get it. Look. Come on.
Coach have a
Here.
has another ear infection.
Mm.
And then poodles, the hair in the ears.
Yeah. Come on. Come get it. Come on. Come get in the camera. Yeah.
Y'all, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Like.
And like the videos. Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Big old thumbs up. And set your notifications so y'all can be alerted every time we post new videos. And then comment below and let us know how you feel about the video we're doing today. Or any other video. I just want to tell how much I love it. It's cool. We're trying to call Tinka to see what she was doing, but she didn't answer her phone. So,
When did she go to school, you know? Have you told her?
yeah, right, it's a good question. When did she start?
You about to start soon because she's in 12th grade. And 12th grade start first.
If she don't start this week, it's definitely next week because she stayed up for that week. And she's like, yeah, she can stay up for the whole week because she about to start school anyway.
Macaroni is good. Want some?
Yeah. We had so much fun this past week with Mara's birthday celebrations and with our sis-in-law birthday celebrations. Like, we had so much fun. And we really did.
It was lit. Like,
So full. Is this about that night?
yeah.
You think small?
Yeah, Stephen Tash nugget was big. Nice size.
This one big.
I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna go to that Popeyes no more.
I know, right? We're always messing up. Oh, they gotta wait in a long line, like 30 minutes, just to get them to mess up. I don't know, I'll be that age. I feel like I ate a lot.
Way more than you.
I'm full.
I can't tell you like them later.
I understand. I like them.
Hamburger.
No, I like them.
Oh,
I think I like the fact that they're small, because I normally don't like chicken tenders because they're so long and big and stuff. And I break them in pieces.
they're not always long and big either. But they be getting you. You have to use the skin.
Yeah, I remember one time I got
Like that.
some chicken tenders. They were like 3 of them, like this size.
Out of skin.
It's like small and then crunched up and stuff, and there's no meat in there.
Wow, perfect.
Like pork rinds.
Hmm?
Or that skin too, that's my own one. Skin.
Alright.
It's just skin.
I thought this was one.
I thought so too.
Dang, give us 12.
I do, that was from that day for you.
Mama.
Okay, I gotta do so much editing so I can upload these videos for y'all. Editing is like the longest part.
It's fun because you learn stuff, new stuff.
It is, yeah, it is true. I do learn as I go.
God.
No, it does take long. That's why my baby doesn't do editing anymore. It just got like 2 or 3 days. I just be like punch and drawer. It take me about 3 hours sometime. But oh my god, I'm so full, y'all. Oh yeah, we gotta rate the nuggets since we need to do. Okay, so I give the nuggets by themselves like a 9. The only reason I wouldn't, the only reason I'm not the same because they are pretty much just chicken tenders chopped up. But
that's all it is.
So I give them 9, but my experience overall, because my red beans were sour.
It didn't have the sauce.
Biscuit, excuse me. You know, it's too manly. Yeah, my biscuit was burnt. I would give the overall experience like a 5.
Yep.
But
with y'all now.
But the nuggets are really, really good. They're fresh, I guess, because sometimes they said theirs wasn't fresh and they were really greasy and like you could see the grease sitting on them. I wouldn't have eaten those nuggets if that was the situation here, because it's not that serious. I mean, it's fast food, and all they're gonna do is come out real fast, you know.
I know that.
I'm really gonna make a salad. But yep. So that's your numbers 2, 9 and 5.
Yeah.
But nuggets are good. We ate them all. I normally don't eat all my food, y'all, but I did.
You was hungry.
Yeah, this was my first time eating today.
I had 8. Just an egg sandwich at work.
Well, I bought McDonald's. I bought McDonald's this morning at breakfast because we were passing out. No, but I'm gonna say the experience.
Oh fuck!
I mean, every other morning I've been going there. The food's been super fresh and everything. But then again, remember I told you there's like this older black lady that works there. Whenever she's there, everything seems to go really smooth. She usually there, so today she wasn't there. So, no, wait, I'm lying, y'all.
She was there?
She wasn't there, but the reason I didn't go to that McDonald's because it might be haunted. Y'all, yesterday there was a killing or something. Somebody had to get killed because that's the only time the police pull out yellow tape. So
white van.
Yeah, and the coroner was there. So I'm assuming someone died in this parking lot. Today, I tried to go get me some McDonald's this morning after I dropped her off at work. They can't serve nothing because everything up in there blinking on and off. I went,
you most definitely not going to know.
I said, wait, first I was sitting at the thing and they ain't saying that. So I said, let me pull up to the window because like they got about 5 cars that came behind me now. I'm like, we are just sitting here. So I put up to the side window. All I see is the lights and everything blinking. I was like, oh my gosh, what's going on in there? So I put up to the next one and all of them just standing around just looking around like this. And I was like, oh, and I was just trying to see if y'all was open. She was like, the girl, instead of her just answering the question like, oh no, I'm sorry, we're closed right now. We're having some issues with the electricity or the computers or whatever's going on. She turned around and told the manager, oh, I think she want all the food. That is over. I can't. That's why I can't deal with New Orleans McDonald's employees. I can't. Everywhere else, like, it's just different experience. But in New Orleans, you are gonna have the worst experience at McDonald's. I don't care which one you go to. It's horrible. But so the manager came over and was like, I'm sorry, but baby, I can't do nothing. I mean, the lights just keep flickering on and off, everything. I was like, hey, it looks scary in there. So y'all did just, I wanted to ask them, someone did just die yesterday? In your parking lot or in the building. I don't know. It was interesting. So, whew.
Don't go back to that McDonald's.
Right, I hope they got it together, but
just go to the one on Canal.
I had wanted to go to the one on Alicia goes over there, you know, because it's still, that one's pretty much the same distance, or not distance because that one's right there, but it's not that far away. You know, so you get a bridge, get off on Alicia Fields right there. So I went to that one, and they gave me the messed up food because I normally don't go to no other McDonald's but the one by our house, but you know they were being haunted. So I said, okay, well, I was going to go home. And I said, no, I'm going to just go because I know you're probably hungry. He likes to eat my ham off of my egg McMuffin sandwich. So I'm like, you know, it'd be like his little treat in the morning. And he's so spoiled. This is a little treat. And that's why I said, okay, well, we're going to go to the next one. So we didn't have to wait that long. Like normally the waits for McDonald's is like 30, 45 minutes. We didn't have to wait that long. That was great. But I'm assuming it's because they must have already like pre-made sandwiches. Like when they first came there. Like when breakfast started at 4, like them sandwiches was so like the ham was like
pre-make nothing.
Right.
You don't pre-make.
You don't make no sense to make pre-make nothing at McDonald's. Everything already kind of made. It's just getting outside of a little things and you put it together. Like
what I'm saying.
The ham, like you could tell the sandwich was already made because the cheese was like turning like the dark orange color already, and it was like they had it on a heat lamp or something. Like,
and it died.
Yeah, it was so dead. It just tasted like so that was the scary thing I don't want to tell you. So I was like just trying to fix it some kind of way where I would like it, but you know, like I know what it's supposed to taste like. When I took a bite of it, I was like, I don't taste nothing.
Sit under the heat lamp and you just say it died.
Right. No, I got scared for a second. I was like, why don't I taste anything? You know, I took the bite and it really tastes like nothing was in my mouth. I'm like, so I drank some soda and I'm like, okay, I taste that, so I'm fine. But it scared me for a second, yeah. And that's why I took a bite and I was like, but it just tasted, I guess it just was nasty. I didn't like it. I was just like, it was hard. The McMuffin part was hard. I just didn't like extra weight. So I didn't really eat. I just had that one bite.
Damn.
Oh, and half of a hash brown because I always eat half of my hash brown and put that half on the sandwich.
Well,
so, yeah.
Maybe, well, they don't put breakfast out till 7 o'clock at my job.
Oh, yeah.
So.
I know, but that's what makes me want breakfast. Every time I drop off at work, I smell it. Every time I smell breakfast, I'm like, oh.
You smell bacon. I smell bacon when I walk in.
Well, even outside, I don't even go in there. I'm like, outside, I just smell breakfast, like biscuits and bacon. Like that's what it smells like. You know, it makes me think of breakfast. And I just be like, oh, I'm like, I want to go home and fix. I wish I could have. I should just make my own breakfast. Like we have grits, eggs, bacon, all that, and I would waste my money making it. I should just make my own breakfast. I'm gonna start doing that.
Protein tea.
You know. I guess we just wrap this up since we finished our experience with these nuggets. I don't know if I'll ever get them again. I don't know if it looks like it might be permanent on the menu because it's actually on the menu.
Yes.
I thought it was gonna be like a limited time thing, so I guess because it's on the menu, maybe I may order this again. But they were good. I'll just make sure to tell them that I need them fresh. But I think this will be a good selling item on the menu. It's pretty good. Yep.
Yeah.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bells again. And until next time, we game. Love you.
Yo.